Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I am doing wonderful. Spent the morning and almost the afternoon watching a storm roll in, and then I got this in the mail. Finally, from Jane Davenport, woo-hoo-hoo, all the way from Australia. Let's unbox, shall we? I put the sticker there because you never know. You can block stuff out, but who knows? Never want to take a chance. Oh, this is really boxed well. Coming from Australia, thank you. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, look at I just love how she boxes stuff. She's so sweet and wonderful. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't that cute? What is that? Well, we'll figure it out. And look at that. I love Jane. I just love her. Look at how pretty this paper is. Oh, I love this. And I love that there's little surprises in it. This paper is so pretty. I remember I saved my paper from last time too. I don't want to mess up the sticker. Let's see if we can save the sticker. Uh-oh, Jax is all excited too. Because of the storm, we didn't get the WALK. So now he hears me talk and he's like, what's going on? Oh, that's a cute little sticker. I like that. Alrighty. Oh, Birth of Venus Pigment Pebbles. Sea Spells Pigment Pebbles. And Ocean Potion Pigment Pebbles. Okay, so let's do Birth of Venus. Here, we'll do these all. Get these all open. Oh, these are so cool. Oh, let's see. I think this is, oh, you can put water in there. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Isn't that adorable? Water or whatever. Probably water. Oh, I love this. This is so adorable. So adorable. These pebbles are so cool, and I did not know that they came with seashells. I do have a ton of these right outside my door anyway. Look at how cute that is. And here are, okay, these are the colors. I believe these are the colors. And this is more explanation. Just add water, a few drops of water, add shimmer to ink. Oh, you can add these to ink or make a spray or create watercolors. I'm going to create watercolors. And instead of water, I'm going to do what Jane did. And I did order, where is it? Here it is. Gum Arabic. Just add a couple drops of that to the pebbles. Let's look at how adorable this stuff is. She's just amazing. Let's take a look at these pebbles. Oop. Save the silica. Look at these. Here, let me put these on. Let me get some white paper somewhere. I know I have some white paper. Although this is my new silicone wet mat that I got from Temu. Look at these. Oh, aren't these precious? Jax, stop. Aren't these just precious? And you don't have to use them all. I'm not going to take them all out, because I believe there's 4 different colors. So I believe this is Churning Sea, Birth of Venus, Gloaming, and I guess there are other colors are in here. Okay. Oh, this is Gloaming, Copper Scallop, and then Adonis. There's a purple. I have to tell the difference between. Oh, I see. These are these are shinier. Can you see? I'll have to test, and probably won't even see. Yeah, this is more pinkier than the Adonis. So, and we will test a few. I'll do some. So you can do what Jane did, and what she does is she puts them in here, and then she adds the gum arabic and has the watercolors in there. But what I have done is I got this little mint container. I already have a card ready for swatching, and then I'm going to put them in here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, there's 5 different colors for each. So I'll do that, because I think this will be better than the shell. I do have some of these down with the blue sticky stuff, sticky putty. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So let me put these away. Let's open the others. Put these all back. Oh, and look at the cute little jar that they come in too. I just love these. Just love these. Here, let me put these back in the jar. And let me see what's wrong with the baby. Okay, now let's open up Sea Spells. And I believe these are all shimmery pigments. There's the shells again, and there's, okay, this one has Misty Shoals, Sea Witch, I can't read it. Kelp Forest, Unfathomable. Okay, that's Unfathomable, Kelp Forest, and Sea Spell. These will go in there. And let's look at these beautiful colors. Ooh, look at these. You know how I love ocean colors. You know how I love ocean colors. So, let's see. Misty Shoals. Let's see, this is Sea Spell. I don't know if that's Kelp Forest. Unfathomable. And oh, look at that. Sea Witch. Look at that. Can't wait to swatch these out. Look at how shimmery. Oh, I can't wait to swatch these out. So cool. Just so cool. I have to get back into my art journaling, because this is going to be perfect for art journaling. And these will probably be perfect for kaleidoscope tasters are coming up soon. If you're not aware, the kaleidoscope tasters will be open to sign up on Friday, May 17th. So look for your email from tomorrow. Report. I can't wait. I bet you we'll be able to use all of these in there. And this is Ocean Potion. Ocean Potion. More seashells. And the colors are, ooh, look at these colors. Ocean Potion, Blue Lagoon, Satin, Starshine, Sea of Love, and I cannot read that one. Gulp. I'm noticing a pattern here. These are all the names of mermaid. These are all the prompts for mermaid. Isn't that funny? Makes sense. Oops. All right, we'll just throw that in there. And that. Ooh, look at these colors. Ooh. Oh. Oh yes, look at these colors. So we have, let's see. Did I do these? Which ones? No, this is it. Oceans. So we have Ocean Potion. Blue Lagoon. The light one is Starshine. And then the darker purple is Gulp. And then we have the more redder Sea of Love. I think that's this. Yeah, this one's got, it's very, unless this is, no, I think this is, unless this is Starshine. We'll soon find out. Look at these colors. Look at that turquoise. Will you look at that turquoise? And that purple. Oh, I can't wait to swatch these out. So what I'm gonna have to do, and I'll show you what I'm gonna have to do. I'll do these first. Ocean Potion. So what you do is, I'm gonna have to cut. Oop. Let's try to do them in order. Get these to fit. So you get them in there. Let's see, let me get I've got a pipette. And I'm gonna get out my gum arabic. Just a couple drops I think you need. Too much. And then you just let it sit for a moment. I'm gonna put that in my water. Might as well get the others, right? And you just let it sit for a moment, and then you get like a little toothpick or one of these things, and stir it around. I might have to add another one. So what's the next one? The next one is, let's do sea spells. And I want to do these in order so I remember. So I believe it was Misty Shoals was the, which one was this? Let's do that. I think that's Unfathomable. Sea Witch was the, and then, right? And then we had Misty Shoals, Sea Witch, oh, and Kelp Forest. I can't tell. That goes there. That goes there. I can't tell. Kelp Forest. That goes in there. That's the lighter one, Kelp Forest, okay. That's that. Throw in my silicone. And then this one, this one goes in there. Birth of Venus was really bright. This one was lighter. This one was a coral, more corally. And then Adonis. So make sure these, yep, they're different. Perfect. Perfect. Now let me get my gum Arabic. Oh, let me get these pieces so they melt better. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Okay, get the gum Arabic out. Just a couple drops. And if that's too much, I can always add more pigments to it. Okay, let me just see if anything, if these have, it's not really melted yet. Give it a little bit more time. So I'll give this more time to melt and then we'll be back. Well, as you can see, I think I wasted more pigment stirring this than I did. So what happened was I noticed that one little chunk was not enough, so I put in a second chunk in every single one of these and a little bit of more gum Arabic. And then I've been doing stirring. I've been stirring these, as you can see, and just basically wasting more pigment. So these are pretty much stirred for now. What I'm gonna do is let these dry overnight and then we'll swatch them. How's that? I'll leave everything like right there. Okay. Now we have let this dry overnight and let's swatch these. Oh, these colors already look marvelous, don't they? Let's swatch. This is here. This is Ocean Potions. Ooh. Love a good turquoise. Oh, that looks beautiful. Excuse me. These are not completely dry, but oh, look at how nice they look. So, might have been too much gum arabic, but maybe once they dry, that'll be better. And this is Blue Lagoon. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, these colors are gorgeous. This is Starshine. Yeah, these are not completely dry yet, but ooh, that's beautiful. That's like a nice lilac-y Starshine. And I don't know if you can see because they are shimmery. I will bring them up close once we're done. This is Gulp. I love how she names these. She has a great naming convention, I'm telling you. She has some great names. Let me have some coffee here. Ooh, good morning. God, I love that coffee. There, Gulp is nice. This Sea of Love. I don't know, but there's something about this color I just like. This is like a color I would love as a nail polish because it's shimmery and it changes colors. Oh, look at that. Because look at that color. It's just precious. And then look at this. Look at that color on there. Oh, it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. So that is Ocean Potions. Look at these jars, they're so adorable. Next we will do Misty Shoals. Sounds like a stripper name, doesn't it? Stripper mermaid. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I just love how Jane must have a field day or just a wonderful, wonderful time coming up with these colors and then the names. Now this is another one where it's got several different colors when you look at it. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. And then when it dries, it's probably even different. Look at how pretty, look at all that. Look at all that character, different colors. That is just so cool. Just so cool. Oh, that would look so cool in a painting. Let's see how it looks when it dries too. I bet you it would look awesome. And then the next one is Unfathomable. I'm a big fan of greens. You know me, I like my greens. And this looks nice. This is a nice green. I can see it right now. Oh, look at that. Look at that shimmer. And you can just see a tiny bit of undertone there, just a tiny bit. You see that? A little bit of a dark undertone. Oh, and then the one next to it, look at how that shimmers. I can't wait to see this. This one has light undertones. Oh, look at that, how minty that is. That's a nice minty, ooh, nice mint. Minty sort of seafoamish color. Oh, that is nice. My whole apartment is kind of seafoam, but not as shiny. But I love that color. I just love it. And then this one is Sea Spell. Oh my goodness. Look at that color. Just want to eat these up. Just want to eat these up. And that is, that was Sea Spells. And then the last one we'll do is Birth of Venus. So the first one is Churning Sea. Look at the colors. Churning Sea. I will put a link to all of this on Jane's website in my description, so you can also purchase these. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a nice seashell color. Oh, look at how pretty that is. I want to hold these up when they're wet because they're really gorgeous, and then I will show you when they're dry. Next is Birth of Venus. And I believe that is from the painting of Venus in the big seashell, which makes so much sense. Oh, see, it looks dark here, but then when you put it down, it's just, oh, look at that color. That is a nice color. Very nice. Next is Gloaming. I just love the shimmeriness of all of these colors. Gloaming. Oh yes. That's pretty. Oh, these are just beautiful. I really like this color, these colors. And then this is Copper Scallop. Ooh. That's pretty. Oh, look at that. How beautiful that is. Copper Scallop. Very, very nice. Ooh. Can't wait to see how these look dry. And then the last one, Adonis. Of course. If you have a Venus, you have to have an Adonis. Look at that. Nice. Oh, that is nice. And they dry really nice too. Now that one that I like dried really nice. So let all these dry and then I'll show them to you up close. Oh my God, these are so gorgeous. These have dried now. Look at how gorgeous these colors are. Now some of these have like a two-tone color. Oh, they're just gorgeous. And if they don't have a two-tone color, look at how brilliant. Let me just see if I could look at, you know what, this isn't giving it justice. This video is not giving it justice of the two-tone colors that you see. And the graininess. But this is a really, really nice pigment palette. And there's others too, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these and put those on the back, and then I'll put that there. So thank you for coming and joining my unboxing and swatching. These are marvelous, just marvelous. I will put a link in the description to Jane's website where you can purchase these wonderful, wonderful, wonderful pigments. Aren't they just adorable? Just adorable. I just think they're just the greatest idea. Just love them. I'm gonna set these up so I can look at them every day. That's how gorgeous they are. Thanks for being here. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.